Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Pinalulungkot po namin sabihin na nagkaroon po ng isang insidente dito sa aming paaralan sa campus po ng Ateneo de Zamboanga University Junior High School building sa barangay Tumaga. Ngayong umaga po. Ang mga detalye po ay patuloy pa namin pong inaalam. Gusto ko pong banggitin na nung nalaman po namin na mayroong insidente po dito sa campus po ito, sa pakikipagtulungan po natin sa kapulisan at sa local government unit, magdadagal po tayong nagpunta at tinignan kung ano ang nangyayari sa sitwasyon. Ang pangunahing kagustuhan po namin at that time was to make sure that all our students who are at the main building, this campus, junior high school, at saka po ang ating mga elementary or grade school students be properly evacuated. Sila po ay evacuate na po sa mas malayong court kung saan ang kanilang mga guro at ang ilang po natin mga empleyado ay nakasama po sila at inaalagaan at binibigyan pansin. We recognize that this incident could cause a lot of deep concern and worry for our parents, families, the guardians, for the students, their loved ones whom we've entrusted to us. And we're deeply saddened by this incident. Prior to this, our security team has been preparing even for a simulation exercise, precisely because we understand the value of keeping everyone, our students and our personnel, safe. This is our primary objective, and that is why we are deeply saddened by this incident this morning. We are confirming that there are two fatalities. We are in the process of working with the police for us to be able to identify them so that we could communicate this to their loved ones. We do not have any other information as of this. Pero we would like to share them as responsibly as we can, as soon as we have them. Ngayong araw po na ito, ang ating lahat po ng antas po ng pag-aaral, all of our classes and all levels at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University are canceled, all the way from kindergarten to grade school, junior high school, college, and professional schools. Tomorrow, we are hoping as a community, those among the personnel to come together in prayer and in mourning for what happened. We will remain cooperative with our government officials and the police. We hold ourselves, obviously, to accountability when it comes to these matters. And so we also request that people, the public, understand that this time, this moment, we still do not have enough information for us to make any very clear conclusions. And we would like to assure the public that we will share with you information that would be helpful in understanding what truly happened. So this time, to assure everyone, those from the grade school who are already here, ay nasa proseso na po sinusunod po sila ng kanilang mga magulang, kanilang mga guardians. And we're doing that very closely with our senior government officials and with the community, of course, to their own security office. Likewise, for our junior high school students who have also been evacuated. At no particular time when they've been evacuated, have they been left alone by themselves. Our very diligent and very caring and compassionate administrators and faculty members and teachers remain with them. We also have on standby our personnel from the guidance office, including one Jesuit, Father Joel Lumana, who is part of our team at senior high school and also to be able to provide immediate psychological first aid for those who need help. For those parents and guardians who are very much concerned with the children, true members kung gaano po kahirap tanggap nito ang kanila. No one would want this to happen. Kung nasa campus na po kayo, nandito na po kayo, maaari itong suluin, katulad na po ng ginagawa na po natin ngayon. Ang inyong mga anak sa isang paraan na orderly. We have security and police waiting at the gates so that your loved ones, your children, will be released properly and indoors to the Again po, nalulungkot po kami sa kaganapan na hindi po namin nanais na ito ay hindi lang po nagkakaroon. Hindi namin nanais ito na magbuli pa sa ating mga paaralan.